Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione here. After a beautiful Monday, we have a nice Monday on the way, too. That's great news if you're headed down here to the CVS Health Charity Classic at Rhode Island Country Club in Barrington, starting things off in the low 70s during the morning, noontime up to 79, 77 3 o'clock in the afternoon with clouds on the increase. Humidity won't be too bad, and this is almost picture-perfect. Temperatures not too warm, not too cool. A little bit of a breeze developing onshore during the afternoon will knock those temperatures down a little bit. But overall, a pretty nice day to watch or play some golf. You can see what happens with our temperatures late tomorrow morning. Low 80s for inland spots, probably mid to upper 70s along the coast. And then those breezes out of the south should start to pull down those coastal temperatures back into the mid 70s. Still a nice day, though. You can see inland spots likely back into the low 80s, probably a little bit cooler than what we saw on Sunday. And then you can see our next chance for precipitation comes on Tuesday. A few of these showers could be heavy at times on Tuesday afternoon with a chance for some thunderstorms. It will also be more humid on Tuesday. That's all for now. We will be posting more updates here on WPRI.com. Thanks for watching.